Hello everyone, welcome to Legacy IAS. Today we are going to solve a question from CSAT 2023. Let's see. The question reads, let x be a positive integer such that 7x plus 96 is divisible by x. How many values of x are possible? Okay, some people when they just see x, they start leaving the question. That x and all, it reminds me of my ex, let me not touch this. Nothing like that. This is a fairly simple question. You need not be worried about x and all. Okay, now see, let x be a positive integer such that 7x plus 96 is divisible by x. Okay, first I'll solve it like I would, which is much faster. Then after that I'll tell you the underlying concepts that I am using in it, so that you can solve it in a similar fast way. Now, okay, so according to the question, what it says, 7x plus 96 divided by x. This is completely dividing. So of course x and x is dividing. Only thing that remains for me to check is x dividing 96 or not. That means how many factors of 96 are possible. So number of factors of 96, simply 96 can be written as 2 power 5 into 3 power 1. So the number of factors will be what? If power is 5 here, so 5 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, correct? 5 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, correct? 5 plus 1 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2, so 6 into 2 gives you 12. So therefore the answer will be 12. Simple. Okay, but I have used certain concepts here that you must know before you can also do like this. Now let's see. First is number of factors, correct? See, understand, any number, any positive number greater than 1 can be written in this form. This is any number greater than 1 can be written in this form, where P, Q, R are prime numbers. Okay, understand what is happening here. P, Q, R are prime numbers. Any number greater than 1 can be written like this. How can I say this? See, it's fairly simple. Let's take any number. Let's take 24. Now, what can 24 be written as? Can 24 be written as 8 into 3? Correct? That is correct. Then 8 can be written as 2 power 3 into 3 power 4. Correct? No problem with this. So 2 power 3 and 3 power 1. Can you see that this 2 and this 3 are prime numbers? And this is their powers. So powers can change, but this will always be like this. That means the base will be of prime numbers only. So with this basis, we can write any number greater than 1, we can represent it like this. Now, understand this. So that means 96 can also be written like this, in this form. Okay, one way is finding the prime factorization that you might have learned when you were a small kid. 96 divided by 2, then you get 48, then 2, like this, you will find out. Instead, a better way is doing it like this. So 96, what does 96 remind you of? Does it remind you of 12 into 8, or even better? Yeah, let's say 12 into 8. Now, 12 reminds you of what? 3 into 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. 8 can be written as 2 cube. So this whole thing can be written as 2 power 2 into 2 power 3. Powers add up. So it becomes 2 power 5 into 3 power 1. This is what? This is 96. Correct? Simple. Now, once you write a number like this, the number of factors calculation becomes very easy. See how. Let's keep this on the side for some time. And now learn the formula to calculate number of factors. So if any number n is there which can be written like p power a into q power b, something like this, then what you can do, number of factors is equals to what? You just take these powers and add 1 to them. A plus 1, B again plus 1, then C again C plus 1, and just multiply them. Correct? You take A plus 1, B plus 1, C plus 1, multiply all of them. You can keep on doing this, and with this you can get number of factors. Correct? See how. Let's do for some number that we already know the factors of. What are the factors of 12? 12 has factors. 1 divides it fully, 2 divides it fully, 3 divides it fully, 4, 6 and 12. Any other number? No. Any other number greater than 12 will of course not completely divide 12. Correct? It will be point something. So that we have to get whole numbers for factors. So how many factors you got? You got 6 factors. Correct? You got how many factors? 6 factors. So you say 12 has 6 factors. Now, instead of doing all this, what you can do is simply write 12 like this. So 12 can be written as 2 square into 3 power 1. Correct? 4 into 3, 12. Then, if this can be written like this, then what you do? These powers you add 1 and multiply them. So 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 into 2, 6. Same answer. Correct? So that is how you count number of factors. Simply whatever you write any number in prime factor form, prime factorization form, like this. So powers of prime. Then you take these powers, add 1 to them and multiply them. That way you get number of factors. Now let's try to do same thing for 96. Now for 96, if it is 2 power 5 into 3 power 1, what I can write is number of factors would be equal to what? This 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 into this 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, what I get? 6 into 2, that is 12. Therefore 96 will have how many factors? 12. Without finding out all 12 factors, which will take a lot of time, you can directly do like this and get to 12 factors. This is what you needed to do in that question. The question was, x is any number such that 7x plus 96 is completely divisible by x. Now if 7x plus 96 is completely divisible by x, then first understand, if you divide 7x by x, then x and x will cancel out. That is fine. So 7x part is always divisible by x. Correct? The only issue or the question is that is 96 by x, when you write, will this give a whole number or not? Correct? Which means if x is a factor of 96, then this will give a whole number, otherwise not. Correct? So that is why what we do, we just simply find all the possible values of factors of 96, and that will be our answer. So 96 2 power 5 into 3 power 1, that we found out, and simply 5 plus 1 6 and into 2. Directly by seeing also you can do 5 plus 1 6, 6 into 2 12. Direct you can get to this. Understood? Simple. So that is how you calculate number of factors. With this we end this lecture. Thank you.